Buy XMR. Monero XMR is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency designed for secure, untraceable transactions. Buying XMR involves selecting a reliable platform, using secure payment methods, and safely storing your tokens due to its unique privacy features. 1. What is Monero? XMR. Monero is a decentralized cryptocurrency known for its privacy, security, and anonymity. It uses advanced cryptographic techniques to obscure transaction details, making it highly popular for those seeking financial privacy. 2. Where to buy XMR? Centralized exchanges, Binance, Kraken, Huobi, and Gate.io support XMR trading. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Platforms like BISC allow peer-to-peer XMR transactions without intermediaries. P2.P marketplaces. Sites like Local Monero enable direct transactions between buyers and sellers. Third, payment methods for buying XMR. Fiat currencies. Use bank transfers, credit debit cards, or payment processors like PayPal, if supported by the exchange. Cryptocurrency. Trade Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, or stablecoins like USDT for XMR. 4. Steps to buy XMR. Choose an exchange. Register on a platform that supports XMR. Verify your account. Complete KYC verification if required by the platform. Deposit funds, add fiat or crypto to your exchange wallet. Place an order. Buy XMR using market or limit orders. Transfer to a private wallet. For enhanced security, store your XMR in a wallet that supports Monero's privacy features. 5. Best wallets to store XMR. Monero GUI wallet. Official desktop wallet with full node support. My Monero wallet. Light wallet for quick access without full blockchain sync. Hardware wallets. Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X support XMR storage. 6. Why buy XMR? Privacy. Monero transactions are untraceable, protecting user identities. Security. Decentralized and resistant to blockchain analysis. Fungibility. All XMR coins are equal and indistinguishable, ensuring no transaction history is attached. 7. Things to consider before buying. Regulatory restrictions. Some regions have restrictions on privacy coins like Monero. Exchange support. Not all exchanges list XMR due to regulatory concerns. Transaction fees. Check for deposit, trading, and withdrawal fees on your chosen platform. 8. Best time to buy XMR. During market dips, take advantage of price corrections for long-term gains. Before major updates, network upgrades or privacy enhancements can boost demand. When trading volume is high, ensures better liquidity and tighter spreads. Buying XMR provides privacy-conscious users with a secure and untraceable digital currency. Choosing a reputable exchange, securing your tokens in a private wallet, and staying aware of regulatory changes will help you invest in Monero safely and efficiently.